Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm the router and modem are powered and LEDs indicate network activity because a live link is required. Next, inspect your PC's Ethernet jack or plug in the USB to Ethernet adapter. This determines cabling orientation and driver needs. Then choose a CAT5E or CAT6 cable. These support gigabit speeds. Once done, straighten the cable to avoid bent pairs. Damaged wires cause packet loss and slow throughput, so handle gently and align the clip with the port before inserting. Now connect the cable. Push the RJ45 plug into the port until it clicks. You should see a link LED on the network interface card, which means physical layer is good. Once connected, open your operating system's network settings to confirm DHCP assigns an IP or enter a static IP when required by your network. If the adapter isn't recognized, install or update the NIC drivers. This resolves many connectivity problems and ensures the adapter negotiates proper speed and duplex with the router. Finish by testing the link. Ping your router, then an internet IP like 8.8.8.8 to verify local and external reachability. If packets fail, make sure to reseat the cable and try another router port. Also reboot the router and your PC to clear transient states. Verify IP, gateway, and DNS settings so traffic routes correctly. One key troubleshooting tip: if another device works on the same cable and port, focus on the PC. Reset network stack or boot into safe mode to isolate driver or software interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.